It's time now for our Ask the Lawyers segment, and joining me now is New Haven-based attorney Tara Knight. Good to see you as always.
Same here, Ann.
Tonight's topic is teenage driving, and I've been working on a driving story paired with technology now because there are apps and devices that can track your teenagers' every single move. And we know the statistics are very real, that the younger the driver, the more likely they are to have a crash. 16 and 17-year-olds, the most likely group to have crashes. By the time they're 17 and 18, that does reduce. But tell me about when it comes to law in Connecticut and you're 16 or 17 years old, what does it require to get your driver's license?
It's a lot different from when I was younger. When you were 16, you went in, you took your test, you did your little driver course, and you got your license. But there's a recognition, just as you said, that teens are not safe drivers by and large. Their brains are not as developed. In fact, they keep developing all the way until they're 20, so their judgment is not the best. They're more impulsive. They don't look at the consequences of their actions. So the state has put some restrictions on teen drivers, and it's a little harder now to get a license. You start with a learner's permit that you have to take a test for, and then you have to do a 40-hour training on the road, and then you have 30 hours additional training. So there's a bunch of things that you have to go through before you actually can get your license as a teenager.
And it's not just the teenagers that have to do the course, but parents are now required to go to that 2-hour class as well.
Again, the legislature wants the parents to be aware of the dangers of teen driving. And as you mentioned before, having passengers in the car increases the risk of an accident. Driving at night increases the risk of an accident. So they want the parents to be informed. So they must take a 2-hour course about the laws pertaining to teenage driving.
Parents are usually so relieved. Oh, thank goodness my kid has gotten their driver's license. I no longer have to be the carpool shuttle. But it's very important to remember the restrictions and the first 6 months, and then it changes in the second 6 months.
Right. For the first 6 months, if you have your learner's permit, you cannot have any passengers in the car except for an instructor. After that, if you get your license, you cannot have any passengers in the car for 6 months, and after that, for the next 6 months, only the immediate family. So your teen is not going to be out there picking up, dropping off, and doing the errands as you might envision.
So let's say that. So it's really important. I just want to reemphasize that. So parents, the second 6 months of their driver's license, no teenagers. So even if it's a football game, lacrosse, you cannot have your child with another teenager in the car.
That is exactly right.
Can the parent, having taken that 2-hour parent course, knowing that the law says that they can't, can the parent be held liable?
Yes, you can be responsible for your child's negligent or reckless actions. So if the child has passengers or the teen has passengers in the car, gets into an accident, people are hurt, definitely the parents can be held responsible. That's why it's important to have insurance.
Okay, thank you. And that's why insurance is so expensive for teenage drivers.
That's right, exactly. There's a recognition of the inherent risks of insuring teenagers.
Okay, Dr. Tara Knight, great to see you as always.
Same to see you.
If you'd like to see this segment again, you'll find it right there on our website at WTNH.com. And tonight at 11 o'clock, my story is going to air on teenage drivers and technology. You're going to hear from a North Branford mother who lost her teenage son just 2 months after he got his driver's license. And she warned you that you think you know your kids, but you really don't. So tonight I want to show you some devices. They're devices and apps that can track your teenagers' every move. Did they speed? Did they brake too hard? Did they drive outside where they're allowed to go? You can see more tonight and learn a lot more on this as well. It airs right here tonight at 11.